Starting a YouTube channel is an exciting journey, but it's crucial to set a strong foundation. Here are key tips to help you launch your channel and position it for growth. Pick the perfect channel name. Your channel name is your brand on YouTube. Choose a name that clearly represents your content. It could be your own name, a brand name, or something more creative, but make sure it resonates with your niche. Focus on a niche. Identifying your niche is essential. Consider what topics you're passionate about and can create consistent content around. While you can evolve over time, starting with a clear focus helps attract the right audience. Optimize your channel profile. First impressions matter. Fully optimize your YouTube profile by adding a professional profile photo, eye-catching channel art, and a concise description of your content. Don't forget to verify your channel and add links to your other social media profiles. Set a consistent posting schedule. Consistency is key to growth. Create a realistic posting schedule you can stick to, whether it's weekly or bi-weekly. Avoid burnout by pacing yourself, ensuring you can maintain this rhythm long-term. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Your video thumbnail is your hook. Invest time in designing eye-catching thumbnails that convey the essence of your content. A well-designed thumbnail can significantly boost your click-through rate. Write detailed video descriptions. Use this space to include relevant keywords, timestamps, and links to your other content. This not only helps with SEO but also provides value to viewers. Optimize for search. YouTube is a search engine, so SEO matters. Use focus keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos rank higher in search results. Keep your titles concise, around 8-10 words or 60 characters. Monitor your analytics. Regularly review your YouTube analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Key metrics like watch time, traffic sources, and top-performing videos can guide your content strategy. 12. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborations can introduce your channel to a new audience. Partner with creators in your niche to create content that benefits both channels. Add captions for accessibility. Captions make your content accessible to a wider audience, including those with hearing impairments. Start with YouTube's auto-generated captions, and consider upgrading to professional transcriptions as you grow. Monetize your channel. Once you meet YouTube's partner program requirements, you can start earning revenue from ads. With at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can turn your channel into a profitable venture. Leverage YouTube Shorts. Use YouTube Shorts to promote your content. These short-form videos are a great way to reach a broader audience and drive traffic to your main channel. Attend YouTube conferences. YouTube-focused conferences like VidCon and VidSummit offer valuable networking opportunities and insights that can help you grow your channel faster. Develop a content distribution strategy. Promote your videos beyond YouTube. Share them on social media, embed them in blog posts, and include them in your email newsletters to maximize reach. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to building a successful YouTube channel. Consistency, creativity, and continuous improvement are key to thriving on the platform.